morning, good afternoon, good evening, my friends all over the world. Today I would like to show you a new self-defense techniques. So if somebody hold my two shoulders, what I need to do, I will step a little bit like this, and I will raise my two hands, and I will change my two hands into my two fists, and I will use my two elbows. I will a little bit use the horse riding stance like this, and then I will step forward with the right or left foot, no problem, just forward. The bow stance, then I push forward. So I do the movement a little bit quickly, you see. So I do this way. So Annie, come here, please. Now I will hold Annie's two shoulders. Annie will attack me. So like this. And step. She will step a little bit to side with foot and raise as high as possible the two arms. And yes, and then hit my arms with two elbows. And step forward. So it's quite easy, huh? So let's try again. Okay, we change position. Okay, so okay, we will practice again. Quickly, a little bit quickly, with your step forward and push. Okay. Okay, this is good. You need to step forward. When you step forward, you will have more power. Okay? Step forward. Practice again. So because Annie is first time for her, so I know it more better than her. So I step forward a little bit to side. I raise my two hands. I move downward my two arms like this, horse riding stance, then step forward and then push to palm like this. So from this way. Okay, so thank you so much. Have a nice day. Okay, this is good. Okay, this is good. Okay, this is good. Step forward. Step forward. Step forward.